Well, obviously you have the sub, the Fifish right here. I'm gonna do a more in-depth review of this. I know you have the controller. It has a little rubber pad for preventing the water from coming in. And you have the rail for connecting the data link to the Fifish. And there is the gripper that comes with the Plus package. Very useful, in my opinion. And you can change out the tip for the gripper as well. Very useful. And tools included. Very good. And charger, presumably this is for the controller right here. And the charging cable for the Fifish. Standard plug. And of course, the user menu. I'm going to go ahead and launch the drone by this lake over here. For this video, I will not go into details on how to properly assemble the drone. Please see the manufacturing website for the exact details. Although this video, I do want to answer the question, who is this drone for? I think this drone appeals to two categories of people. The group who are already into remote control vehicles. And the second group, the group who are already in the water. The divers, the boaters, the kayakers, and so on. The second group is fairly obvious. I think I'm not going into details about why they might be interested in this drone. The Fifish v-evo was released in March to April of 2023, the latest from QIC after many iterations. The obvious question to ask, are they the DJI of the underwater drones? The answer depends. From my limited research, QIC is very much miles ahead of the competitions. However, this Fifish v-evo is not a starter drone to purchase. There is a learning curve to it. From the design and feature set, it has a onboard 4K camera, powerful 5000 lumens LED lights, 1 to 5 hour battery life, depends on how you use it. Onboard video storage, very useful. And many attachment to the Fifish v-evo. In this case, I have the claw attachment for picking up things from the lake bed. These are excellent prosumer feature sets. These sounds amazing on paper, however, the implementation might need some work. For example, the cable management is frustrating. There is no question about it. The non-standard ports, I guess they have to do it this way due to waterproofing. But every time when I try to plug in the cable, I was very afraid of bending the pins. Don't get me wrong, the drone is great. As you can see, I'm bringing the bottle I was picking up from the bottom of the lake. And I'm gonna go ahead and pause the drone, get the bottle, and now we have a beer bottle. How about the build of the drone? The hardware of the Fifish v-evo is fairly good. All the connections are metal. The body of the Fifish seems to be hardened plastic, and it cuts down on weight. The LED and camera ports are well made. The cable is braided for preventing tangling. Those are really good, and the effort QYC puts in really shows. The connection to the claw is very solid, and it doesn't feel like it will go anywhere. The one of the biggest doozy is the implementation. In particular, the software. The controlling software seems to be an afterthought. I do understand from the QYC internal product development decision tree, it must be, well, if the hardware is not good, what good can a software make for underwater submarine? I agree, which is a fair decision. The Fifish app is more or less where the first iteration of the DJI app is like. I really wish the product development board knows about this and improve on it. I think the Fifish is the Phantom 3 of the DJI product line. The Fifish v-evo has the seed of a really amazing product. It got the most of the things right, feature-wise. The implementation of those features needs more refinement. The top 3 things to improve: the mobile controlling app, the cable management system, and the Fifish storage on the go. Overall, I'm happy with the purchase. Let me know in the comments what do you think about my assessments. What are some other things you would like me to cover? Drop a comment below and let me know. Bye now.